infusion of watermelon juice makes this boba or bubble tea extra delicious. In this recipe, we're using tiny colorful watermelon balls in place of tapioca pearls. We'll get started by preparing our watermelon boba balls. Here, I have watermelon slabs that have been compressed at 99% in a vacuum sealer. Remove the compressed watermelon pieces from the bags, and with a small Parisian knife or a miniature melon baller, scoop out watermelon boba into quarter-inch balls until you have 1 cup. Puree and strain the remaining watermelon scraps to make watermelon juice. Place 4 cups of the watermelon juice into a pot and reduce by half, skimming off any foam that may form. Add 4 cups of water and half a cup of green tea leaves into another pot and heat to a simmer. Remove from the heat and strain out the tea leaves. Allow to cool slightly. In a pitcher filled with ice, add the reduced watermelon juice, tea, and condensed milk and mix vigorously. Add the watermelon boba into your serving glass and then pour in the watermelon tea. Garnish with mint sprigs and serve with a boba straw. Kids and adults will love this sweet, creamy watermelon tea with its refreshing watermelon pearls.